What's up guys, back with another 2 Minute Tuesday, and this time I'm going to show you a little diagnostics. So we have the WRX here, and I ran into an issue where the viscous coupler, yeah, this car actually has that, but the viscous coupler is broken. So I haven't seen too many videos online of that problem, which was why it's hard to diagnose this problem. But yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm going to show you some clips of what it sounds like in the interior of a broken viscous coupler. So you're going to hear it in these couple clips after this, but it's basically like a noise, a humming noise, or like a whining noise that isn't dependent on your gearing or your revs. So you'll hear it just all the time. It'll be like a and it'll ramp up as you go faster. So yeah, hopefully you all enjoy the clips, and hopefully this is not the problem for your car, but yeah. The interior of a car with a broken viscous coupler. Can you hear that little buzzing noise? It'll speed up and get higher pitch as I go faster. Here, take a little listen. Out of gear. Still in. Now I'm gonna put it back into gear. As you can see, I'm out of gear again. It's not dependent on your revs or your gears. Even there. Clutch is in. Still going. You can hear it. See, out of gear. Alright, so that's basically it for this 2 Minute Tuesday. I just wanted to put a little clip out there, or a couple clips or a few clips of what the interior sounds like for broken Viscous coupler, because there's like no videos on it, which is kind of rare. But yeah, that's what it sounds like, and hopefully y'all learned, and we'll see you in the next one.